Okay, we have one of our stage 3 high power kits shipping out to Donnie. So it's 1600.1, 800.4. Here's our upgraded 0 gauge ground setup. Here's our 0 gauge power input, 4 gauge output, 8 gauge output, all oxygen free copper wire. The fuse goes on the brake side. Here's our ground. Everything is tech flexed. 8 gauge for the 800.4. 4 gauge for the 1600.1. Then we have 10 gauge speaker wire, which goes to our XT90 connectors, and one for each woofer in the bag. Here's our XT60 connector. That's going to be for the saddlebag 6x9s. Another one going out the door. It's a beautiful bike. I'm going to show you a picture of the bike.